Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. We have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only y to the power of 3 and y. First derivative of y to the power of 3. We have 3y squared. This one we have number 1. So we have 6sy squared plus cosine s. We have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. We have s squared and sine s. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. First derivative of sine s, we have cosine s. Number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. And we see that this one is same with this one, so that is about exact. So I need to set up about the function fsy. Fsy equals to this one. So we put the integration in here, plus 3sy the integration of 2s, we have s squared. The integration of cosine s, we have sine s. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides with respect to y. This one, we have y to the power of 3. We have 3y squared s squared. This one we have y, so we have number 1. And we know that this one equals to this one. So we simplify for the both sides and you got 0. Now we put the integration for the both sides. And we have c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3sy. So 3sy equals to c. So I will put c going here. And we know that this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.